Hi guys, it's Joyce. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome here. Comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. So let's get right into the video. But before we do that, I'm gonna show you guys what I got on, starting off with the video. Okay, so we just like a basic black V-neck shirt and a basic black leggings. This is it. This is the leggings. The first outfit is just some jewelry. This is the back. It's the front. I got some pockets. Okay, I got these from Marshall. This is a medium. And this was $12. Is this black turtleneck sweater. I just paired it on with like the leggings that I had from earlier. Pair these two with. And this, I believe, was $14. This is an extra small. And I got these boots from Ross on a budget. And these was $29.99. And this is a size, it's a size 7.5. Okay, so put these on. Try these on. Let's put these on. I could probably wear this to like a date night, you know what I'm saying? Hanging out with friends, going to lunch, dinner. But this is the shoe. Let me look back a little bit so that's the fit. I'll review this little jacket thing that I got. This was also from Marshall. It's an extra small. And this was if I can find the tag. Okay, this was $20. $19.99. Slay on the budget. Slay. Okay, so this is cute. And I could probably pair these with these pants. I don't know, probably not, but like, this is it. But I think these are cute. They got pockets. These are also from Marshall. These are extra small, but they look a little bit bigger, man, because I'm small. And these was $10. These are $10. And these are so cute, y'all. Like, look at my button. Okay, but like, look. Oversized shirt. Happy with this one, if you can tell. And I could probably wear this as a dress with like some like boots on or something. But I was thinking like, I can wear these during summer with like shorts or like micro shorts or something. Or I could just tie these up, tie them up, and style like this. So this like, but this is it right here. This is an extra small also, and this is from H&M. Yep. And I'm not really sure how much these was, but I'm pretty sure it was like $8 or $10. I think these are so cute. Like, if you guys can see bottom. The pants, as I said, I'm short. I'm 4'11", so these are pretty long on me. I don't know what I'm gonna style these pants with here, but this is it. It's the back. Okay, these are from Ross. I think these were like $20. Size 1, I think these are size 1. This is some H&M, just like extra small or small. And I think these was I also think this was like $10 too. So this is, I like these. I really like these pants though. Like, okay guys, like, this is cute. It's giving lavish energy. It's giving high girl winter. It's giving these sweatpants. Okay, so this the front. I got 2 pockets. That's the back. This is the length of the sweatpants. Okay, so you guys already know if this is short. I think these were small. These also came with like a hoodie, but I don't know why I put that right now. So I'm just gonna try it on with this shirt right now. But I believe these was $20 with the hoodie. And I also got these from Ross too. I'm telling y'all, slay on the budget, slay on the budget, slay. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Guys, look at the body. Like, okay, so this one also came from Ross. These were a small. This came with like a shirt, like a little crop top shirt too. I don't know why I bought that either. So this is the whole length. And I believe this with the shirt were also $20, I think. This also came from Ross, if I didn't say that before. As I said earlier, bad bitchin' on a budget. Bad bitchin' on a... Okay guys, that's it for the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will be posting again next week, Monday. Okay guys.